All right. So we're going live. Okay. This is Miguel. I'm back with my Uber and Lyft driver videos. So hopefully you guys saw my first video. Sorry for the sound. It was really bad because my phone holder was like shaking. It sounded like my car is really noisy, the engine, but that's about the phone mount. It was shaking, making all those noises, but I'll try to do better next time. And for now, we have 1099K form for my tax returns, right? From Uber, here it is. I cover my name and stuff. So this is what I got. This is what they sent me. Okay. I'm not going to show too many details, but this is how it looks like, right? I think you guys received one too. Whoever does Uber, right? So you have to, I need to keep this to my records. I think it's 4 years or more. Well, at least 4 years or forever, right? Be safe with these guys. So my total over there is 26,000, right? In 6 months. Just for Uber. That's the total that Uber made from the passengers. So when you file your tax forms, when you file your taxes, you have to deduct from those 26,000, for example, whatever you have on yours, the commissions. And you will find that in your Uber summary that they will send you at the end of January. It's in your Uber account. So go to uber.com, log into your driver's account, and you'll see tax information. And you will find all of that. If it's not there, just give them a call. They will help you. So get one summary, tax summary. And they will tell you over there the commissions, tolls, everything, right? So you have to put that in your expenses in your taxes. Those commissions and fees and tolls. So I did that and I checked everything with my bank statements, all the deposits they did. So you add all your deposits and subtract them from that, you'll get something close to that. But don't forget you have tolls too. So I saved all my toll receipts from my SunPass or whatever highway toll system you have, Easy Pass or Z Pass, right? So I downloaded all the receipts from my SunPass account and save it in the file, save it in the cloud, right? With all my bank statements, with all the deposits Uber did, just to stay safe. And I have a copy of this in my cloud, and I have a printed copy they sent me through mail. So good. Uber and Lyft did the same thing, the same form. So I used TurboTax to do it. I didn't hire an accountant. It's kind of scary at the beginning, but don't be afraid, because what I did was mileage deduction. So I did 33,000, right? Deducting the commissions was about 10,000, so it's like 23,000. Then I deducted in mileage 24,000. So I still have a loss of $3,000. So if you drive for Uber, you're losing money. Technically, you're losing money because if you deduct the mileage you do, all the mileage you drive, yeah, you're losing money. So that's the big question. How are you making money at the end of the day doing Uber and Lyft? If you deduct your mileage and you're losing money, well, 3,000 is right there, right in the limit. So it's not too much because I drive a little bit more because I have a long commute to go to a better area to make more money, right? If I stay where I live, I won't make enough money. So I have to drive more. So I'm assuming that I drive more than an average driver. Okay? Because I fish around, I go to these other towns around me. And yeah, so I drive more, probably more than the average. Or probably more than I should. Because I think the way they designed Uber and Lyft was to drive around your home, right? Local drives and on your way somewhere, make some extra money, right? But if you do this full time, it's a different story. I think the Uber and Lyft assume that most of the people won't do this full time. And that's a big myth. And passengers have all that myth when they come to your car. Oh, you do this full time? They get all surprised, right? So, but nowadays, I think that's changing because they have the lease programs with you can rent them a car. Some guys are paying like $70 a week with because they get a bonus with Lyft, so they say it's $70 a week. So yeah, I don't do that. I own my vehicles, so I just deduct the mileage. I don't deduct no um, oil changes, nothing, insurance, nothing, tires, nothing. Just the tolls, mileage deduction, and that's it. Okay, so I still have a loss, so I'm good. I don't pay no taxes for doing Uber this year. I'm not paying no taxes. So yes, but yeah, like I was saying, I did in 6 months 33,000, deducting the commissions and tolls. I did about, I will say, in 6 months 22,000, around that. So doing the math, 22,000, right? 22,000 divided by 6 months. I did 3,666. Okay, so dividing this by, I take 2 days off a week, so I will say 25 days a week. A month I work. $146 a day average that I do. But I'm spending on gas right now something between $450, $400 a month. So yeah, so those 36 minus the 400, so you're doing $3,200 a month. And I'm working around 100 hours a week, so it's $400 a month. Uh, so it's not big money. $143 a day average, right? I'm spending about $15-$20 a day on gas, so I'm taking home 120 average a week. Okay, so that's basically it. What I'm making, averaging, right? Some days you do that, but some days I do $30. Some days I can do $200. Last night I did $230, but I worked almost from 3 p.m. to 3 a.m. in the morning. So I work more than, I will say, 12, 14 hours, right? Okay. All right. Okay, guys, see you around. This is Lorenzo. I'm just going to cover you if you don't want to be on this video. This is live on YouTube. That's my helper over there. Are you still there? Oh, he left. I want to. He showed for a few seconds, but he's back over there, yelling to someone. That's how it works with Uber. It's funny when passengers come in, they say, "Oh, you make a lot of money." Yeah, yep. And Uber makes a lot of money because averaging 40% of all the money I did was for Uber. So if you think about it, it's not too much money. So $140 a day, $20 for gas. That's my case. Some other guys spend more money on gas or less. But then don't forget, you have a vehicle that you put 10,000 miles. I put 10,000 miles a month when I drive hard. So I always think 10,000 because I'm averaging it, right? I can do 7,000, 8, 5, depending how much I drive, how much money I want to make or feel like doing it. But I just think 10,000 because that's what you're supposed to be trying to make. In my case, to make good money. And when that's what you need to do because that's how you think. So after 1 year, it's 120,000 miles. Your car is almost at the end of its life, right? So warranties, all that stuff, it's kind of tricky because some manufacturers won't give you a warranty. Some dealerships will work with you and make sure you get that warranty anyway. They always make it work. Hopefully mine will. I don't know if they will help me out when something happens. Let's see. and I have two warranties, manufacturer's warranty, and I bought a warranty ticket. That was a mistake, but I was going to keep it like that just in case. At least I have two. If one doesn't work, I have the other one, right? And my second warranty goes up to 125,000 miles, 5 years, and the manufacturer's is 100,000 miles, 10 years. So just to be safe, I have tie insurance. I have vehicle bumper to bumper insurance that includes everything. It's not like those other warranties that will take some stuff off. No, this will cover me everything for 5 years, 125,000, except brakes and wear and tear parts like suspensions, stuff that breaks down because you're running the car, like the tire wear. My insurance will cover that. Won't cover that. I mean, it will cover like a flat tire, yeah, stuff like that. But I have Michelin tires, energy efficiency tires, so they're really quiet. They save you a lot of gas, so it's a good investment. They're always the same price as a regular good tire, like a Michelin, right? In Michelin, they will buy you the tires back only with a tear or the tire. So yeah, if you can look into that better, that's how it works in general. Okay, so yeah, this is all about the tax form. So when you file these taxes, this form, the 1099K, don't forget to deduct your commissions and tolls. You put this in, whatever numbers they have over here, you're going to put it in your tax form, right? In your tax or TurboTax or whatever if you do it online. After you put that, you have to put in your expenses, which is going to be in your summary in your Uber account, right? Or Lyft account. You go to lyft.com or uber.com, go to your driver's account, go to your tax information, see the summary. That's where you're going to get those informations, right? About commissions and tolls. So you can put that in your expenses and your mileage if you do mileage or vehicle expenses. So it's up to you, and hope everything goes well with your taxes. I did it online, no accountant. So by the way, Uber and Lyft, it's free. You can do self-employed without paying. If I was trying to do on TaxAct, I need to pay like $40 to do it, like self-employed. So Uber and Lyft are offering free TurboTax filing. So if you want to do that, you don't have to pay nothing. It's free. You just file it. Make sure you review everything. Be careful. Of course, some of you have two jobs. Like in my case, I had another job that I had to deduct my W-2 form. So I did that all online. I have some properties too that I had to put in, rental properties. So yeah. But yeah, Uber and Lyft. So let's think about this. I want to know your comments about this, because when you file a tax, you deduct your mileage, like in my case, you end up losing money doing Uber at the end of the day. Technically, you're losing money. And the reality is that if you don't save with your vehicle, save on gas, right? And that's how I think. But for me, I'm not losing that much money because I started with a used vehicle, paid off, no payments. And now I have a new vehicle, right? And all my vehicles are still running. I can fix the other one with $2,000. So the vehicle is still there. I did 60,000 miles with the same tires, still good. So just think about it. Just drive slow. Take it easy. Don't rush it. Don't drive fast. Don't speed. Right? Just calm down and save your vehicle. Okay? Don't drive like a crazy. Don't speed. Don't step on those red lights. Don't race on the red lights. Don't brake hard. Be careful when you do backups, U-turns in straight, narrow neighborhoods, driveways, potholes. That's going to break down your car. But if you drive slow on your way to a pickup, you will save your car and you'll make a lot of money doing Uber. So, all right, this is it for now. Oh, by the way, this is the Super Bowl night. Maybe I'll be driving this night. So it's around like 9 o'clock already, 9 p.m. Not 9, but 8, I think so. But maybe I'm going to drive today. Last night I drove all night. And yeah, He comes again. He's behind the door. He's listening to the conversation. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time.